This is what I got in my stocking. And because we are going to the hot marathon, and here has snack bar. And has words only 13 miles to go. Before you do anything.
Okay, you need a big voice. We didn't get all your packages to you though.
Thank you.
One is already here.
Oh, nice.
Ah, okay.
For more scientific steaks.
Putting higher expectation.
Oh, thank you. I love that. The color. Thank you.
Well, we know you spend time in the kitchen and just
Yeah.
I was just telling her how much I love the one that's
Oh wait, that's
Christina
for
got.
that one's for comp.
Okay. Oh, I needed to look at. I even did not look at the name. Actually, in our Airbnb, there's a one to put things like that. We
No,
really
this is
like
color
that.
perfect. We just had one new set of plates. Thank you.
Oh yeah, those do match the new plates
Very
go
much, yeah.
Yeah.
Is there one for me except that? It's a cool again.
One of those stripy ones is yours.
Heavy ones. Oh, okay. See, what is this? Pretty heavy one.
Now I look it.
It's gonna be so much data now.
I think it's temperature, pH, and moisture.
Moisture, yeah. Awesome. Thank
And I
you.
got Zia meat thermometer so you guys can take more measurements of both your projects.
Waterproof meat thermometer. Why does it need to be waterproof? Is
Black
it
magic.
waterproof?
Why not?
Thank you.
Maybe it's a rainy barbecue day.
Oh, this is from Nidja. Cool. I know what is this.
What are they?
This is
another place to grow plants.
yeah.
Cute.
Go everywhere.
Oh, are those bookends?
The bucket.
Yeah.
Cute. We should get some of those for your.
You think you put lots of salt on inside. So this is yours?
That one's yours.
Oh, sorry. So.
That's fine.
Lovely.
This is cool. Wow. Okay. This will help me get a bigger fish.
Oh. Wow. Is that a real?
This is real.
Wow.
I see your lesson.
From time to time, when we, if I get in the salty water, if I did not wash well, this gets a little bit sticky. It makes a lot of noise. It's not. It doesn't work well. So this is excellent.
The last fish that I saw a picture of that you caught was like this big. I don't know if you need a new reel. You gotta get one that's this big.
Oh, thank you.
They're little, like, side soy sauce dishes to go with your new plates.
This is Milton Ramers Ranch Park in Texas. It's quite beautiful. This is a map of Hamilton Pool. You can walk from the entrance point to the pool. Another direction, if you walk, you can go get to the Pedernals River. Say hi.
Hi.
This is Hamilton Pool. If you want, you can swim here too. This is a hiking trail. This is the Pedernal River again. 2 days ago, we were at the upstream of this river. It's far over there. The water is so clean.